How we doing? Long time no speak. I've not long just done this intro, but I listened to the playback and there's no audio because my microphone decided to cack it on me. So I apologise in advance for the audio if it's not up to standards because I'm using the internal one. But back out, and I'm not alone. I'm with Jimmy D, and I can hear a chopper in the distance, but I can't see it because of the cloud cover. But yeah, as I say, long time. Been a while since I've been out. It's due to my health, it's not the best. So I'm out today just to see what I can and can't still do. We're not too far. I'm on my island, right next to the river. Camp's already set up, but I did go through that, but obviously, like I say, no audio. So it's the normal diesel really. VANGO HYDRA 200, we're both in them. ×2. I'm not on the ales and I'm not heavily drinking because, like I say, health issues. So I've got to be a good lad. I've got a few lagers and a bottle of cider just to wash down on the night around the fire. You've already had it. I already caught Jimmy drinking already 5 to 3 in the afternoon, but like I say, no good because the audio was naff.
No evidence,
No, I've still got it, mate. I'll post it. But yeah, the midges are out in force today, mate. I might have to have me a dunk in there. They're everywhere, aren't they? Standing under them. So yeah, microphone's cacked it, so you'll have to bear with me with the audio. I'll order one tonight. Should be at mine tomorrow. So I'll quickly run through what's inside. It's funny, isn't it? It's ordering it'll be a... Alright, same diesel. I've got the Andy's 4-season 400 sleeping bag, a new self-inflating mat because I'm a fatty, inflating pillow, warm kit. I've got the British Army softy jacket, a woolly hat and my hoodie, electrics bag, food bag, head torch, blade, cooking stuff, my water because I got to drink lots of water, like I said, a couple of lagers, bottle of cider, not ripping the arse out of it. But I'm going to zip this up now because of the bugs are out in force, man. So, come on, come on. Don't be a dribble. There we go. That keeps them out. Jimmy, I'm opening yours and letting the bugs in. Jimmy's is the same diesel. He's got the Trachology air mat. He doesn't use the pillow anymore because it hurts his neck. He's got his 4-season winter bag, his pack. Again, he's got his fat chairs, some pot noodles. Because we're not going to the extreme of cooking stupid amounts of meat and food over fires and whatever, because again, health conditions. So
he doesn't like meat in his mouth no more.
I don't like real meat in my mouth, boy. But yeah, we're back out. Not going to be a mega video as always, it's just chilling, catching my breath from the last 3-4 months.
Yeah, it's been like that.
Yeah, 8th of August, wasn't it? 8th of August. 2022 can suck my toes, man. It's been the worst year of my entire life. And things I won't go into, but I can't wait to see the back of it. Bring back COVID, that's what I say. So
no one's about.
No, that's what I mean, no one around. So I'm on my favourite place. Now bear with me on the camera skills because I am cack with it. So there's Betty the bunker. Shaky Dave, can't help it, my bad. But yeah, not too far from Betty the bunker. Jimmy's full of wind.
Mohammed Ali shuffle.
I will be like that. So, will you stop? Mouth is open then. So yeah, I'm on my island, and I call it my island because it is my island. And I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it. Got another place over here where we can come down, chill out by the water. If we want to get in because it's deeper there, we can. Someone's dug a shell scrape. Fair play. As always, throw a tarp over the top. And there he is. How do you zoom in now? Come on, son. Start with the middle finger. Little punk. Take the brummies out of brum, but you can't take brummy out of brummies. Some shit like that anyway. But yeah, man. Does feel good to be out, I must admit. Apart from the goddamn bugs. So right, bear with us. Just gonna get some firewood now, well Jimmy's, because I'm on light duties. So I might sit down with a cold one, let Jimmy do the work for once in his life. Oh, look at them, Chris here, don't we?
What's new?
Lovely. What do you mean, what's new? Cheeky sod. Remember the wood has to be dry, remember? Yeah. I've always got a chopper in my hand.
Where is it now?
In there. Right, we're going to get some firewood and then we'll bring you back as and when. See you in a bit. Right, firewood collected. I got a right bead on now.
He didn't do nothing.
Dickhead. Done more than him and I'm the poorly one. So, where is it? Move out of the way, mate.
My work.
Your work, you did. There it is, and there is the fire pit. I've just kicked all the mud back to wet. So when I finish tomorrow I can just clean it out, damp it out, scrape it all back on, job done. Put the ash in your sock, smack around the head a bit. So there's nothing much more to report other than it's not beer o'clock. I fancy a brew, fancy a brew?
Yeah?
Yeah? Gonna have a brew. I've got a detox organic crap. So, right, I'll bring you back when I've got my plant drink. I fish because punching people is frowned upon. Thanks to our Jimmy D. And look, dishwasher, I'm being a good boy at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Drinking wheat.
It looks like it, doesn't it? Don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's my cup of piss.
Looks like someone needs a bit of water.
No good to me, man. Oh, it is good to me, but it's been 5 minutes yet. I was going to let it soak.
And my drink's there.
All that, yeah, he just spilt all his drink over his hand, burnt all his hand. And I think my fire gloves have gone. They're holding the handles to my kettle. And it's gone straight through and it's blistered my index finger. I got blisters on my fingers.
You can actually say you're a working man now.
A dickhead. Tell you what, the cheek on him. But yeah, man, we're just chilling out. It did start to drizzle. It stopped now, hasn't it?
Well, I don't think it really started.
Just a little bit.
Spit.
I've got a tarp if I need to throw that over the fire, well, over the firewood. So,
Fire's on.
Sheaves in it, yeah. You have to bear with me, man. I'm doped off it half the time. Oh man.
George.
I'm dribbling inside. Yeah, just chilling out, man. Nice brew. Well, some sort of brew. Pissy tea bag, but does what it's supposed to, so I'm happy. And I think we're just going to chill for a bit longer. Don't get dark for a couple of hours yet. Like I say, it's only 1600.
I think within the... yeah, I don't know. No,
does it? Oh, my dishwasher got me some sugar-free sweeties. So I got creamy butterscotch. I got creamy strawberry. And then I've got rhubarb and custard.
I was going to say, they've got to make an appearance.
Yeah, 100%. My favourite.
Otherwise I would have said send them back.
Get rid of them. So,
I'm only joking.
I'm going to have a sweetie, sugar-free. Drink me detox tea. And enjoy the
Looks
company.
like it's dehydrated, mate.
Oh, it does dehydrate me, trust me. Right, catch you in a bit. Oh, still here, still going. Keep getting rain on and off. So what we've done is set up a proper camp hobo. So I've put out my poncho to cover the firewood. I threw my tiny little, I normally use it as a ground sheet, but it's a little tarp. I've put that up hobo style so we've got somewhere to sit under. So this is what we've done. There's a little hobo shelter. There's my firewood under that. And it does the job, man. A little shelter. And obviously my rain poncho, hiding all the firewood. But it's just bliss down here, man. Absolute heaven. Just seen a massive, massive, massive crayfish. So by the time I ran back up to get the camera, it'd gone into hiding. So, just even with all this wind and rain, we're getting plagued by bugs. I've got something on my screen, great. But I'm still living the dream. Where is he? Where's the fegler? There's the fegler. On his phone. It's turned into Sambo Slice, isn't it?
Actually, I'm trying to adjust my camera settings, little fallback head.
Sorry, did you say something?
Yeah,
I thought I'd farted, sorry.
Your head looks like a ball sack.
At least I got one. Don't come up behind me. Don't come up behind me. I'm warning you.
I'll put it away, too strong.
Your mama. Do I think in a minute?
Beer.
It's beer o'clock. It's just gone 4:30.
Don't worry, he's drinking sugar free.
I'm not, I'm just having the lager. And a little bit of cider, no ales, and being good.
You've wasted a good surprise. There it is, you're going to show me what's in him.
And the crayfish, it was just down here.
Had some good old big biceps on it, didn't it?
Well, it was definitely massive. Literally swam under from there straight into this.
Hand and a half or something size.
No, I reckon it's about 1.5 hands, yeah. And as wide as your hand as well. Or my hand, not your girly hand. So.
How big that is, man? That's big. Oh, big as one.
Little flamer, innit? So I'm going to go and chill out for a bit in my hobo shelter. Change the battery on this. And just chill out for a bit.
Too deep.
Yeah, it should be fair enough. I hope we get them horrible bugs away, man. Jimmy doing his farting crap, and I'm having focusing issues, but I cracked my beer, got the fire going, I'm chilling under the nightlight, and I'll tell you what, I'm so happy to be out, it's untrue. So I don't think I'll be eating anything. I've got nothing really spectacular to cook. I've got an Irish stew, or I've got some noodles. But if I do decide I'm going to eat, I'll see you then. If not, chances are we'll see you in the AM. Good night. Morning, and what a miserable, windy, wet morning it is. My eyes are all kerfuffled, got a headache, but we've not long woke up. It's 7:44, so I think next steps, hot brew, bit of breakfast, and then pack down before the rain comes. So it is supposed to rain, well it should be raining now all morning, but it's just dingy out there, man. bacon and sausage on soft white pitters, something different. Let's give it a whirl. Smell can. Right, gonna try down, pack down, and get on the move. See you then. Right, that's it. All packed away. LNT, leave no trace. Got the bag of rubbish. We're gonna throw that out of the bin. No sunrise this morning because it's just cloudy, overcast. Ready to absolutely oof it now. So not much of a video or a normal video of the ales and meat and whatever. But I got out, I did it, I survived. Now the plan is just to chuck the rubbish away, bug out to the car, and go home and get rid of this headache. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.